Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to show you guys 3 of my favorite easy smoothie recipes. The first is going to be a green immunity smoothie, which is perfect if you're feeling a little under the weather and want to boost your immune system. And the second is going to be a blueberry matcha smoothie. I love drinking this in the morning because I think it gives you a lot of energy and just kind of gives you the caffeine boost to kickstart your day. And then the third is going to be a green protein smoothie. I love drinking this one after a workout. It really replenishes your body post-workout with a lot of protein. All of these are super easy to make. They're delicious and you won't even know that there's like spinach or avocado in these. Perfect for the moms who want to kind of hide some fruits and veggies and get your kids to eat it without knowing that they're eating fruits and veggies. Perfect for people who are just really busy and on the go, and if you just need to replenish your body after a long week. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so there you have it. 3 super easy smoothie recipes for whether you're on the go, you just need a boost of protein, energy, or immunity. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. Make sure you give this video a like. If you try any of the recipes, then make sure you leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, then be sure to hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, until next time, I will see you guys later.